Today, I'll show you a very simple and delicious Chinese home-style dishes, Scallion braised tofu. It's healthy and tasty, and perfect for vegetarians. First, cut the tofu into thick pieces. Separate the scallions into white and green parts, and cut them into sections. Finely chop some garlic. Now, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, add the garlic and the white parts of the scallions. Then add 2 spoons of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half a spoon of sugar, and 1 spoon of cornstarch. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water and mix well. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can add a pinch of salt. Heat some oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, gently place in the tofu. Cook on medium-low heat, and let it slowly turn golden on both sides, about 2 minutes each side. You'll get that nice crispy surface. Pour in the sauce. Let it simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, so the tofu can absorb all the flavor. Cook until the sauce becomes thick. Add the green scallions, and gently coat the tofu with the sauce. Now plate the tofu. Pour that glossy, savory sauce all over. And now, it's time to enjoy your own cooking. Soft, flavorful tofu with that rich sauce. Serve it with rice, and it's so satisfying. If you have any questions while making this dish, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. Follow me, and let's make delicious food simple.